What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So for today, I'm finally finishing the hood, and I'm gonna sand it and then paint it and put it on her, and then I'm gonna paint the fender. And then before I left the other day, I actually put primer on the bumper. So right there I put the primer, but this one right here I actually put some truck bed lining to see how it would be, and it looks pretty cool, but I think it looks a little bit too rough for me, at least. So I'm just gonna put some black rust resistant paint in the front, and then I'm also gonna hit the corners with that. But I think for the back side I am just gonna put the truck bed paint. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this first because I want to spray paint everything, the back and then the front. So if I work on that, then the dust isn't gonna come over here from the sanding. So yeah, I'm actually trying to get this done today so that I can put the bumper on later on. So this video is gonna be pretty much me working, but I'll show you guys the finished products whenever I'm done. So let's get right to it. Alright, good morning everybody. It's actually 1:30 here already, but yesterday I know I said I was going to finish the hood and all that stuff and put the bumper on, but I didn't get it done because I was spray painting in here, and I was super excited that I didn't even think about putting on a mask. So my head started hurting and I stopped painting it, and my headache was just bothering me for the rest of the evening. So what do you call it, I did complete it. Now it's just drying. Once the bumper is finished, then I'm gonna work on the hood, because I put the putty on last night, or the Bondo, so I just have to sand it down. I know it's not gonna look pretty, but just as long as I can put it on there and then get it what do you call it, as smooth as possible. And then whenever the wife comes home, I will put on the hood and then put on the bumper and then put on the headlights, and then she should be ready to run. Hopefully I can get this done by today. Alright guys, I know you saw me put the hood on. Well, at least tried to. Well, actually no, I got it on. The hood's on, but I think I'm gonna have to buy a hood, because if I close this, since it got bent over here, I don't know if you guys can see that, it got bent here, which made the hood pretty much kind of like, let me put this down. It's pretty much kind of like curving like this. I don't know if you could kind of tell. See how the right side's up a little bit more than the left side? So when I put it down, it's creating that space, which means I need to get another hinge too, because the hinges are bent. Because if you look at this side, look at how close it is. So I'm kind of over fixing this thing, but I need to fix it. Yeah, I don't even know what to say right now. I just don't want to wait for a hood to come in and then 4 weeks later it comes in all freaking bent like the other one. So I'm just gonna try to see if there's a junkyard around here somewhere that will have a hood, but I'm gonna order the hinges today so that they can come in. But yeah, it's just the reality of trying to fix your own car. I want to quit and just say, you know, forget this, but I put too much effort on this and work. And also, this is still a great car at 145,000 miles. So yeah, no, it's just not more. Now it's just a waiting game. So damn it. Oh well. On the bright side, the hood's done. Not the hood, the bumper. It is what it is, you know. Try to stay positive. At least I know that what do you call it? My silver one's running now. So that's the good thing. But now it's a waiting game again. So alright guys, thank you for watching. I know this is kind of a downer to end the video, but it is what it is, you know. I'm trying to be transparent with you guys. The realities of being an amateur mechanic. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think I'm doing a decently good job for an amateur, give it a thumbs up. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.